Not only can you do a find and change on text and glyphs, you can do it on objects. Now this isn't replacing the objects, it's replacing the attributes on the objects. So again, Controller Command F to go into our dialog box. We'll choose objects, and I just skipped away from the page a little bit there, so we'll go back. So what do we want to find? You'll find the object, and notice it's not finding the object, it's finding the object format. Now let's see what we can look for here. Here we can search for what? Let's see, this has got a stroke on it, and it's got a white stroke. We can tell it like that and click on OK. So let's hit find. It finds the first one, it finds the next one, and it finds the next one. So what do we want to do with it? Let's get rid of the drop shadow here. So change, and here we can go to drop shadow, and we just put off. Notice the choice, on, off, or ignore. This time we'll choose off, click on OK, change all, and there the drop shadow's gone. We still have the white stroke on it, so let's change it again. Again, we've got all these effects in here. We'll just trash them, come over here, and we'll go to stroke. And we'll change the stroke to maybe an olive one like that. Tint, we'll set it down to maybe 73%. And the weight, we'll make it 3 point. Click on OK. Change all like that. There it's done. We can even put some special effects on it. We could go for bevel and emboss. And here we'll turn it on. And the style, we'll go to an inner bevel. And we'll go smooth, direction, down, size, 0.05. It would be nice if we had a slider here. Depth, I'll just put a little bit on. And other than that, I'll just accept the changes here. Click on OK. And change all. What happened? Didn't find anything. Why? And that's because we changed the stroke. It can no longer find anything with a white stroke, because remember that we have the colored stroke on it now. So you've got to make sure you're searching for the right thing here. Now down here you can search again all documents and documents, etc., but you can choose the type of frames. The default is all frames, so you can just choose graphic frames or text frames or unassigned frames as a frame that's neither a graphic nor a text yet. But let's do some searching on text frames here. So actually I'll just cancel out of here for the time being and take a look at what we have here. We've got this text frame here. Come over and we've got the stroke is this blue color, and then we've got a 15% fill of the yellow. So you do have to know what you're searching for before you go in here. So let me hit Control or Command F to go in here, and let's just clear everything to start over again. But this time I'm just going to search for a text frame. I'm going to find what? I'm going to search for, actually search for a fill with a 15%. And then this is the blue, and it's actually 100%. So click on OK, and let's see if it finds it. Find next, find next. There we go. And then of course we can change it to whatever we want. We can add a drop shadow to it, turn it on. Again, we've got to choose it. We'll go to multiply. We'll push the opacity up. Distance 0.03, and we'll just use the global light isn't set, so I've just got to pop one in here. Offset 0.04, tab 0.04 like that, and maybe we'll change the color here. So we've got the fill, we'll go down to the olive color, maybe at a 30% fill like that. Click on OK. So I think you got the idea. You can go through and just set all these as you wish. I'm going to just take a chance, hit change all, and there's everything changed. Now remember, neither of these text frames or graphic frames search or find and change is a substitute for object styles. Using object styles is definitely more powerful, but if you don't have it set in styles and you do want to search for some consistency and change the ones that are different from others, then it's a good option for you. But styles are definitely more powerful if you use them.